This is a 2006 Honda Element, one owner with 114,000 miles. EX model in unbelievable condition, very good condition. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Pretty cool if you're familiar with these Elements. They're very popular. Hard to find in this condition with these low miles. Gorgeous color, hard to find color combination. Alloy wheels. Tires are in great shape. Gray and blue cloth interior is like new. No rips or wear marks. Aftermarket Kenwood radio with Bluetooth. 114,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. The seats are in great condition. Sorry I kept them up for the video. So 2006 Honda Element, one owner, 114,000 miles.